Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we will take a look at the euro currency. Since we have discussed and talked a lot on the euro currency in the last week in daily video, so it's very close following the situation, how it has developed here. So just a few minor things, a few things that we could add to the previous analysis. And mostly they stand on the intraday charts. Today we will try to prepare some detailed trading plan on how we could act on a Monday. Mondays will be a bit specific sessions since it will be holiday in the United States, the President Day. Maybe the activity will not be as strong as it should be. So that's why maybe our trading plan will be valid even for a Tuesday as well. Anyway, on the daily chart, as you can see, we see the bounce up from the bottom of the right shoulder as we have specified, and the market keeps the harmony of this pattern very well. So the first bounce has happened. Also, our suggestion of the deep retracement also was correct. So you can see on Friday market has shown nice downward retracement. This retracement is sort of normal. It's logical because the previous bearish momentum that was accumulated on this way down is still existing and impressed on the price. That's why pairing of the retracement, the rest of this bearish momentum now makes an impact on the market. It seems absolutely normal. Here the major question on the daily chart is the validity of this pattern. And this market still stands very close to the invalidation point, that's this bottom. We still should be a bit concerned around whether this pattern will work, I mean the hand draws as well, or it will fail. That's why on the daily chart the major level that we should keep an eye on is of course this bottom. So this is major VIP support, monthly pivot support 1, and if market will drop here below it, it will mean that this loss will be taken out, and that in turn could mean that the long-term bear trend is continuing, and we stand maybe even on the road to the parity. That's why this level is very important. It's not just the failure of this pattern, but it's also will open the road, open the direction for us. Straight taking out of these lows and dropping below this major support, very most we could say systematically will tell us the market will drop below these lows. And that will be the opportunity for trading. That I'm speaking from the bearish point of view. But right now, here we do not see any problems with this head draw patch, no hints on the possible failure or something of that sort yet. So nothing of that sort. So currently it looks absolutely normal, and we continue to watch for this hand shoulders, how market will behave with it. Upside target of this pattern stands approximately, it's 110 area, so around the monthly pivot resistance one as well. So on the hourly chart, guys, although our suggestion on this retracement was correct, but market still keeps a lot of different scenarios how particular upward action could start. A lot of different patterns could be formed here. And that's why we need to come to some clear trading plan, how we will behave in this massive variation of different patterns. What particular patterns could be formed? First of all, market could reestablish upward action right from this area, right? It's also possible. Second, market could form some kind of the Gartner's 222 buy, for example. This could become first swing, and market could form some large ABCD retracement right with 618 support or even lower. It's also very probable. Third pattern that could be formed, maybe market will form some kind of the double bottom here before upward continuation, right? Because even the double bottom, deep retracement could be different, and even retracement right to the previous lows could be treated as deep retracement. Besides, even dropping right to this previous bottom will not destroy the hand shoulders. This will not be the failure of the hand shoulders. That's why, from that standpoint, even double bottom will be acceptable for us. It's less probable, and currently its perspective is very blurry, and maybe we will not get it. But also market could form, for example, bottom one. So it could become the left wing, right? This market could start the right thing appearing, but in this case, the bottom of this butterfly will be slightly less than this bottom, right? But as we will recognize the butterfly shape, it also will be acceptable in current scenario. Because yes, market maybe will turn down a bit lower to the 105 even area by forming this butterfly, but we already will see the butterfly, and the appearing of this patience with the supportive will be for the hand shoulders. So you can see we have the multiple scenarios and what we could do in the current situation. That's why let's go first step by step and prepare the trading plan only for the Monday, because appearing of the double bottom and the butterfly are it's a bit extended in time scenarios, and this will be not very interesting for the first two sessions of the coming week. In the first two sessions, the most interesting for us is the first upward continuation right from this level, or appearing possible the ABCD pattern, so some kind of godless triple two buy. As you can see, on Monday, market will open very close to the very strong support area. So this is favorite for the euro 50% support 106. It's also weekly pivot point. And take a look, that will be also this ABC top 1618 extension target that creates an agreement with the FIB support. So this is really significant support area that theoretically could become the foundation for upward action. If even market will not start this long-term upward continuation with the daily head and shoulders pattern, some respect of this area should happen, at least according to the probability, because strong support usually triggers at least minor bounce, minor respect of this area. That's why we think that this area is suitable for taking the first long position on euro currency. But you will have to manage this position and keep an eye on it. So because when you will take this position and the first bounce up on response to this support, you will have to move your stop to the break-even, because market could form, as I said, large ABCD pattern. So this will become the AB leg, this response will be BC leg, and then market could show the extension CD leg, maybe right to the 618 support, 108, 105, 80 area. That's our trading plan for the Monday. Later on Tuesday, we will return back to the discussion of this topic and see how the situation has developed, what new inputs we have, so we will adjust this trading plan. But currently it seems it's logical to take the position on the strong support on respect to this area, move your stop to the break even. If euro will continue to move higher, this will be perfect, you will be in chocolate. If market will start to form larger ABCD pattern, you will lose nothing, your stop will be at the break even, so just finish the trade with no loss, and we will start to watch for other patterns that will be formed here. The next logical pattern will be possible godless triple two buy if market will show a deeper retracement. So then we will have to repeat this strategy again. So that's what we expect to get on Monday. So let's see how it will turn and what action the euro currency will show us.